Lady Louise Windsor is able to study a semester abroad as part of her English degree, and Macquarie University in Australia is at the top of the young royals list. Lady Louise Windsor is considering studying abroad as part of her degree course at St. Andrews University, a source claims. As part of her 4-year English literature degree program, students can study a semester abroad, and Macquarie University in Australia is at the top of the young royals list. The source says that due to her close confidant and friend Felix da Silva Clamp previously studying in Australia at the Melbourne Grammar School, it's an option both are considering due to his love of Down Under. The next academic year is going to be an important one for Louise, said the source. She's exactly halfway through her degree course, and this is the point where students decide whether they want to study abroad or remain in Scotland. Louise and Felix are currently at the stage where they have to make that decision as part of their course, and Sydney is on the top of the list for both. Felix used to live in Melbourne and knows Sydney well, so it's an option the pair are seriously considering. It hasn't been finalized yet because there are lots of logistics involved, especially with Louise and because of who she is. It's difficult. If they decide to remain in Scotland and continue their studies there have been discussions about finding a student house with a group of friends. The eldest child of Prince Edward and Sophie prefers to keep out of the spotlight and chooses not to use her HRH title, but she was pictured attending Trooping the Colour this year and often joins the royals at family events. Last month, Lady Louise, 20, was snapped cozying up to Felix, also 20, as she took part in a special competition at the Sandringham Horse Driving Trials in Norfolk, where she won an impressive silver medal. The King's niece is thought to be getting extremely close with Felix, who works in an ice cream parlor in St. Andrews while he studies. Images of the couple recently surfaced on social media embracing at a party, and the pair are said to be almost inseparable. Buckingham Palace has been approached for comment.